सभी सांसद इस वक्त मौजूद हैं और कुछ ही देर बाद ये कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत होने जा रही है, जिसमें ये भी बताया गया है कि पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री मनमोहन सिंह भी अपना भाषण दे सकते हैं।
आज का दिन इतिहास के सुनहरे पन्नों में अंकित होने का दिन है। ये दिन परिवर्तन का है, एक नए शुभ आरंभ का, पुरातन से नवीनता की ओर बढ़ने का, परंपराओं को साथ लिए आधुनिकता के साथ कदम ताल करने का। और इसी पल को एक साथ जीने के लिए हम सब एकत्रित हुए हैं संसद के ऐतिहासिक केंद्रीय कक्ष में। आप सभी माननीय विशिष्ट जनों का हार्दिक स्वागत, अभिनंदन एवं शत शत वंदन। कार्यक्रम को प्रारंभ करने हेतु मेरा सादर अनुरोध माननीय संसदीय कार्य मंत्री जी से कि वे स्वागत संबोधन प्रस्तुत करें।
आप सभी को नमस्कार। I am feeling proud privileged to be the part of this historic occasion where we have assembled in this iconic Central Hall for the celebration of our 75 years of the parliamentary democratic journey and shifting to the new parliament building. First of all, I welcome Honorable Vice President of India and the Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Shri Jagdeep Dhankar ji, to gracing this momentous occasion. I welcome the most popular, dynamic, Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, who has been real force behind giving us the new temple of democracy in the shape of new state-of-art Parliament House building, which is emerging as a symbol of Atmanirbhar Bharat. I also welcome Honorable Speaker Shri Om Birla ji, Deputy Chairman Rajya Sabha Shri Harivansh ji, Leader of the Rajya Sabha Shri Piyush Goyal ji, Leader of the Opposition Rajya Sabha Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji, Leader of the largest opposition party in the Lok Sabha, Shri Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary ji, all my colleague ministers, other senior leaders, fellow MPs from both the houses of the Parliament, to this function which has been organized to commemorate the last sitting of both the House held yesterday in the respective chambers. Today onwards, our two houses of the Parliament shall have their sittings in the new Parliament House building. We all know that this Central Hall has witnessed transfer of power from Britain to Bharat, the formation and adoption of our Constitution by the Constituent Assembly has been host to some very important occasions like rollout of GST, one tax, one nation, a finest example of cooperative federalism in our parliamentary democracy. There were 3 joint sittings of both the houses of the Parliament for resolving the deadlocks under the Article 108, that is the Dowry Prohibition Bill 1959, the Banking Service Commission Repeal Bill 1978, Prevention of Terrorism Bill 2002. You all know that Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha were sitting in this building since 13th May 1952. Along with all my fellow members of the Parliament and other stakeholders of this Parliament, I am very happy and enthusiastic about the functions of the two houses of the Parliament henceforth from the new building, which is the symbol of new and emerging Bharat, paving the way for the developed nation as envisaged by Prime Minister by 2047. At the end, I would like to say that our journey so far is marked by excellent achievements, memorable experience, difficult challenges, remarkable milestones. As we go ahead, let us learn from our previous experiences so far and reaffirm our commitment to our historic democratic values and tirelessly work for the betterment of the person last in the queue. Jai Hind.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मान्यवर। अब संबोधन हेतु मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी लोकसभा में